Hey there everybody, Radu here. Thank you so much for taking a look at my latest software, Omni-Xpress. Now, Omni-Xpress is a cloud-based software that enables you to create with just a click of a button a fully fledged online store just like the one you're looking at right now, where you can sell ready-made sites that we supply you with. That means with Omni-Xpress you have a fully done for you business. You have an online store, but then you can sell ready-made products to your clients, to your visitors, or to anyone else, really. So the way it works, as you can see right here, it builds you a fully fledged online store. Obviously, it has email marketing built in, as visitors can come here, subscribe to your email list here, and you get them in the backend. It's fully integrated with all major autoresponders, so you can build your list that way too. Now you have a banner here that you can fully tweak and customize. We'll look at that in a second, but the main point here is that you can sell digital products with the push of a button. So for instance, if I clicked on this buy button here, it sends me to the product page. This is how your visitors will be able to see your product. It has a list of features here and then a short description that you can add, and it also has the ability to receive reviews and comments. Now your visitor, he sees this, he's excited, but he wants to see precisely how his new done for you site will look like if they buy from you. So they click this preview button that sends them to a live preview. So they're able to see exactly how it looks and what they can do. They can click around, see the features, go to these drop down boxes, actually play around with how their new website will look like. This allows you to sell ready-made sites and designs like you are a professional designer. You can charge hundreds of dollars for this type of websites, and it's all drag and drop, simple to edit for your customer. Or you can obviously do it yourself, offer a service where you create those sites for them in exchange for thousands of dollars this time around. Now, you've seen how a user can preview a template before buying, but let's say he decides to actually go ahead and purchase. He clicks buy now, he's redirected to the checkout page. He can add not just one but several themes, several products. He clicks checkout. It's fully integrated with all major payment gateways. That means PayPal, that means Stripe to checkout, and I think 5 more. So you're getting paid, but then Omni-Xpress handles delivery automatically. It sends logins to your customer. He can just straight up log into his Omni dashboard and then edit his site as he wants to. Now, besides that, we also handle hosting for you. So those online stores, they're hosted for you, and they're also handling support for all of your products. So you don't have to bother with customer support either. Now, this is fully online friendly, as you can see right here. And not just that, but it comes with about us pages, contact us pages, basically everything you need to start selling from day one. So now you've seen the site, you've seen the store, how powerful it is, how simple it can be to sell your own products online. But let's take a look at the backend, at how Omni-Xpress behaves for you. How simple is it actually to create a new store within seconds, populated with products, edit those products, and so on. So right now I'm in the backend of Omni-Xpress. This is how it will look for you, fully cloud-based. All you have to do is insert your logins that you get once you purchase the app and click login. Now the backend, this is still mobile friendly. In fact, beta users have been creating stores from their phones. They reported that they didn't even need a computer to create their stores. Fully mobile friendly, simple to use. So let's say I wanted to create a new store. I would go to my shops. I would create a new shop and insert the name of my new shop. So let that be Omni Live Demo right now. Obviously, this can be whatever your niche is, it doesn't matter. And you can have it either fully loaded with products that we provide that you can sell right away, or you can have it empty and then add your own products as you go. So you can add software products that you have resellers rights to, you can add your own product, you can add services, and so on. It's all click, click, and you're done. And we'll take a look at that in a second. But let's say I want it fully loaded with the products that Omni-Xpress already handles and already does for you. So I've created the store, and now that that's done, all I have to do is add my PayPal account and my autoresponder, and I'm good to go. So I click Manage here. Now all I have to do is go to the payment setting, and with one click I can integrate any of those 7 payment gateways so you can get paid easily and instantly. Now once you're integrating either of those, what happens is that Omni-Xpress automatically processes payments for you. The app pays you, so you're getting 100% of the profits, but then it automatically creates logins for your customers, and once you integrate your autoresponder as well, it also sends them an email saying, hey, your login is ready, come claim your product. So it's all done for you. This is key here. With Omni-Xpress, we had simplicity in mind from the beginning. We want it to be as much done for you as humanly possible, so all you have to do is collect payments and get paid. Now you can integrate your autoresponder. We've got all the major ones, but Omni-Xpress also collects subscribers for you in the cloud. So even if you don't have an autoresponder, you can still grab the leads and start emailing them whenever you want to. So it works, it collects leads, it builds your list even if you don't have an autoresponder. So if I wanted to view how my site looked like, I would click this view button and it would show right away. This is how it looks right now. It's already fully populated with products. I can click view all and take a look at all of them that I have here ready to sell. But let's say that I wanted to actually tweak my new store and change a few things, change the logo here, change the name. Now there are a few ways of doing it. First of all, if you go to site settings, you can with the push of a button change how your entire store looks like. So this is powerful if you want to do more than one store or more than one niche. So I can click use this, it's done, it's fully updated. If I go back here and click refresh, there you go. This is how my new website looks like, completely tweaked, and I can do it over and over again with the other templates. Now, if I wanted to actually tweak the banners or tweak how this header right here looks like, I can go to the content settings. And I can just say, get the best. Let's say you're selling software, so I can say software tools in the market. I click save, it's saved. And I can change the name here. So instead of get smart deals on Omni-Xpress, I can say get smart deals on software box or whatever your product name is. So I can click save changes, go back here. I can get rid of this search box if I wanted to. Get back here, refresh. There you go. It fully changed how my website looks like, how my store behaves. So this is how powerful it is to tweak a fully fledged store with Omni-Xpress. So I've shown you how you can create an entire store within seconds, how you can change it with the push of a button by using the site settings here, and then how you can slowly tweak and customize your store until you're fully happy. So while this is all done for you, full customization is also built in, so you can tweak and update your store as you wish until it's perfect, until you're in love with it. Now, the main focus of those stores are obviously the products inside of them. So all of those products that people can buy and then they receive automatically. Those are all ready-made sites. So you can sell ready-made sites in any niche out there. We've got them all covered, from restaurants to consultants, gasoline companies, agency and portfolio, e-businesses, lawyers, and so on. Really, we've got all the niches covered. You can do blogs, you can do travel, you can do internet marketing, you can do ebooks. Virtually, there's a site ready, whatever your niche is, whatever customers you want to sell to. Now, once you actually have those products, you can click manage them, and you can see all the ready-made sites built inside Omni-Xpress. It comes with over 10 of those, so you can see all of them here. But you can add more. You can completely add as many products as you wish, and it can be your own product. So you can insert your product name, your price, and then you just add your download, so that your visitor, once they buy, you get paid. Omni-Xpress handles delivery even for your own products. So this is powerful if you have, say for instance, resellers rights or white label rights to some software tools that you've received either as bonuses or you purchased in the past. You can build a store full of those white label rights software, full of those resellers rights products. So it's all handled by Omni-Xpress. You build the store, you add those products, and Omni does it for you. That's how powerful this is. And let me show you actually a logo right here, logo store that we have built in. So this is fully tweaked, and you don't have the usual products, the usual ready-made sites, but instead, let's say you bought reseller rights to a logo package, so you've got hundreds of those logos that you can sell. You can build a logo store with Omni-Xpress just like this one, and customers can go through the purchase process just as if they just bought a ready-made site. So they can click buy now. Once they proceed to the checkout, they get a login, they can download their logos because you've added all of them here in Omni-Xpress. Now let's get back to the ready-made sites for a second. If I go to manage products, I have all of those ready-made sites that I can tweak. So let's say I go to the restaurant one. Now here's how it works. I can click edit here, and it sends me straight away to a built-in drag and drop editor. Now this is powerful if you want to offer a site creation service to your clients. All you have to do is insert their restaurant name or whatever. It's all drag and drop, so I can say welcome to let's say Omni Restaurant, and you can tweak this as you want, have it underlined, bolded, and so on. It's all also drag and drop, simple to use. So let me go here for a second. Let's say I wanted to flip this around. I would just drag it all the way here. Bam, it's done. Not only that, I can completely tweak images as well. So if I click right here, I can move it to the side. I can blur this out. I can increase the brightness. I can make it grayscale, saturated, and so on. So it allows you to play around with sites in a way not possible until now. See how easy it is to tweak everything. So obviously I can actually, or you can actually go in here, leave everything as it is, just tweak those buy buttons, add the logos of your restaurant company that you're building a site for, tweak the menus, and that's it. You can sell a ready-made site in any niche. So this is extremely powerful if you want to offer a site creation service. But this is the same way your customers will be able to interact with Omni-Xpress. So if they go to your store here, and if they buy this product, they get the drag and drop editor. So for you, you're offering an incredible product, a ready-made site that's also complete with a drag and drop editing solution. So your customers are also taken care of. They can log in here, edit their site on their own, and then start using it as their own website. Now, this allows you to compete extremely well with designers, developers that are usually charging hundreds to thousands of dollars for those ready-made sites. Now, I've shown you how you can tweak one live here on this call. It's fully drag and drop. It's simple to change text. It's simple to tweak images. But let's go back here for a second and say that you wanted to use the power of Omni-Xpress ready-made sites for yourself. Now, this is entirely possible. We've got internet marketing templates as well. So you can go here, click edit, for example, and have a ready-made lead generation funnel you can tweak right away. So obviously all you have to do is get started with, and then whatever your product name is. So Omni-Xpress truly lets you completely build done for you funnels in any niche. This is how easy it is to create. You can change this image here. You can obviously add your own buy button and then have a features list and so on. It builds sales pages for you. It builds blogs for you. So if you're an internet marketer and you're fed up with using those very technical content management solutions, and you want something that's easy to build your pages, have them look attractive, and let you have all of the features of 2017 really inside a simple to use software, then get Omni-Xpress just for this feature alone. It has a drag and drop cloud-based editor for all of the templates that we have. So you can get started with those internet marketing ones and build your own site. And Omni-Xpress, both the store itself and each individual sites, they're fully SEO optimized, so they get SEO traffic, and they have a secret formula that also gets you viral traffic. So you get all of that inside Omni-Xpress. It's an absolutely massive product, and we're incredibly excited to be able to share it with you. Take action today, secure your copy of Omni-Xpress and get the entire store, all the ready-made products, all the ready-made sites, and all the features you've seen today in one simple to use cloud-based app.